Hello everyone, hello, I'm Olena and I'm welcoming you to my YouTube channel, and today I would like to share with you a very interesting idea. So here we have, this is 6 pairs, actually I have 8 pairs of beautiful bottles, jars with some glitter and sparkles, and I made earrings, and it's very beautiful. I'm going to show you even closer. So these bottles are very little, very small, and it's actually very light. Different colors I bought on Temu.com, and it was so cheap. Believe me, you can buy just for a few dollars different colors, the whole set, and I'll show you a little bit later. But the idea was to fill with some precious stuff, with some, let's say, some sparkles, some little beads. Here's we have lavender, dried lavender. Here's some bits is glitter, and then we have some glitter powder, and then some kind of sparkles heart. And I have some more, and I'm going to show how I made it. So here I bought a set, very cheap one, of different bottles, different size, clear one with some cork. And actually they're all different. This is like bulb, here's like this size, like, you know. And I found it's very good for example, pendant. You can fill with everything you want. And I got ideas that I'm gonna fill with some beads, and also I'm gonna add some messages like on a piece of paper, on a beautiful piece of paper. Let's say love, hope, whatever you want to write. Even like your wish, you can write your wish on a small piece of paper, and then actually put in this bottle and then create a pendant. But also I found some colored one, and they were selling as a set in a pairs, like this pink one, for example, blue one, green, and also like this type of jars, mini jars, also the cork, and also some hooks. But I created my own hooks. You see a little these hooks, because this is quite heavy hooks, and I created my own. So I use just a pin with a loop like here. So this is a pin I put inside the short one, and then I'm actually glue it. So how I made this beautiful earrings? I found in Dollarama this set of glitter and this sparkling mini elements. This is hearts, and you can buy different types of sets. So for example, for this one jar, I use this beautiful hearts, and I add a little bit of this glitter. You see, so this is very beautiful. And here we have the blue glitter, like this one. So I put in this jar. It's very light because the glitter is very light. And for this type of earrings, I use this kind of like beads, and they're very light. They're plastic one, and I used already for some other project. So I put inside, and also I add from this set of glitter. Oops, I didn't want to open because it goes everywhere. It's very light, and I guess magnetic, or maybe not, because you have to be very careful to work with this type of glitter. So it's a beautiful bright colors, and I have 12 colors, different colors. So I add some colors here, and then you can see it's a really beautiful. I try to focus, like, you know, and show you. And I also filled with this just pure one bubbles, like, you know, they look like bubbles, very nice bubbles, and they're really beautiful. And I also have a bouquet of this beautiful dry lavender. So I decided to use lavender as well. So here my bottles with lavender. The light is not very good, but there's lavender inside. So the next step, when I fill all bottles, I'm actually use this glue, like B700, 7000, but also you can use another glue. You can use this type of glue, and I glue the cork because I don't want any accidents, and that's why I want the cork stay inside. Also why I like this kind of glue, it has a needle on it, like needle dispenser, like this. That's why it's very easy to work with this type of glue, because you put the glue precisely whenever you need it. And I use 18 karat gold plated hooks, and here I use silver plated hooks. So this is like, you know, beautiful idea. And if you like this idea, please support my YouTube channel. Press like, write comments, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.